Hey everyone, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to take you through the process of creating a winter-themed thank you card. And so I'm using the digital version of the collection Hello Winter by Carta Bella. And I'm starting with a large pattern paper for the background that I just glued to the cardstock there. And then I have 3 paper flags that were I think so. I think for 3. I try to go with uneven numbers because that's good for design purposes and stuff. So I kept it with 3 paper flags that will go across the page. And then I have a die cut piece that is a snowflake that I will use. And then also the sentiment is a die cut piece, and the rest is all just created in my silhouette. This is actually a card based on a freebie template that I'm sharing on my blog MistyHilltops.com. So if you're interested in freebies, even if you don't have a cutting machine, you can download these freebies and get the inspiration from there. There's sizes for things and stuff like that. So here I stamped the sentiment on top of that little label piece there. It's from my die cut stash, and then all I need to do is add the little snowflake that will go with this, and this is this card done. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.